Paris, June 2025. Beyonce's opening note hits, and the crowd gasps, not just for her voice, but for her outfit. That black bodysuit and hand embroidered cowboy chaps weren't just sparkly, they were born from Manish Malhotra craftsmanship, featuring over 10,000 Swarovski crystals. This wasn't just a costume, it was 30 years of vision and grit live on a global stage. But how did a Bollywood costume designer become Beyonce's couture pick? Let's unpack the journey that made Manish Malhotra a global fashion force. In 1990, a 23-year-old film buff walked into Bollywood's costume department for Swarg. Little did Mumbai know, this was the beginning of a revolution. 5 years later, Rangila came along, and Bollywood finally elevated costume design to a serious craft. Filmfare even created the Best Costume Design category that year, and Manish Malhotra won the first ever award. He once said, "I wasn't just designing outfits, I was creating a whole look," reflecting his storytelling first design philosophy. Soon, Manish Malhotra wasn't just dressing characters, he was making them iconic. Remember Kajol's red beret and boots in DDLJ? Or the carefree Patiala pants and Fulkari dupattas in Jab We Met? Anjali's sheer sari in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai? Alia's pastel ensemble in Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani? Every piece became a trend, a fantasy, a dream. One day I will own a Manish lehenga. In 2005, he launched his couture label, bridal, diffusion and menswear. But this wasn't just luxury, it was legacy. His 2010 Mijwan collection spotlighted chikankari embroidery handcrafted by artisans in Uttar Pradesh. He once said, "I believe in balancing heritage and innovation." Today, brides queue up for his couture like pilgrims, not just to buy clothes, but to own a cultural moment. By the mid-2010s, Manish Malhotra had gone global, dressing Naomi Campbell, Hillary Clinton, and walking the Met Gala red carpet in 2024 and 2025. In February 2025, his Dubai showcase closed Fashion Week, the first Indian designer to headline the finale. And then in June 2025, with Beyoncé in Paris, the full circle moment arrived. That bodysuit wasn't just glamorous, it was a testament to meticulous craftsmanship, cultural storytelling, and global ambition. So, what made this transformation happen? Story first design. He crafted outfits as character tools, each stitch telling a story. Craft meets stage. Indian embroidery adapted for the world's biggest arenas. And strategic visibility. He positioned himself where it mattered. And Beyoncé stepped through the door he built. From his first Filmfare trophy to Beyoncé's stage, Manish Malhotra has shown that fashion, when rooted in cinema, culture, and craft, can transcend borders. And as he says, resilience keeps you moving, purpose over profit builds character. And now that character sparkles worldwide. What do you think about his journey? Is he your favorite designer? Tell us in the comment section his most iconic look for you. This is Leena signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.